In a busy city, there lived a young man named John. He dreamed of becoming a well-known musician, wanting to captivate people worldwide with his heartfelt melodies. Unfortunately, with each rejection he faced, those dreams started to fade, making his once lively composition feel less vibrant. His music, which used to be full of passion and emotion, now carried the heaviness of his growing disappointments, making it less cheerful and lacking inspiration. The repeated rejections began to affect John, leaving a lasting impact on his artistic spirit. John, driven by a deep love for music, has always been moved forward by his strong passion. However, the continuous rejection he faced slowly wore down the core of his spirit. The self-belief that once guided him became more fragile due to the constant weight of disappointment and self-doubt. In his poorly lit apartment, surrounded by unfinished songs and fading dreams, a strong feeling of hopelessness involved him. He started thinking about giving up on his dreams, considering the appeal of a stable life without the constant struggle for recognition. The idea of living a life free from the ongoing challenges of pursuing his musical dreams began to seem attractive, casting a shadow over the once bright future of his artistic journey. Just as John was about to give in to his doubts, a glimmer of hope emerged when Dr. James Smith, a compassionate physician touched by his music, stepped in. Intrigued by his unique musical style and natural talent, he made a generous offer, a special place in his clinic where John could play his music for the patients. John's previously undiscovered melodies, rejected elsewhere, discovered a new audience in the clinic. These were people seeking comfort and healing. The meaningful tunes from his guitar and the sincere lyrics he sang seemed to resonate with their deepest feelings, offering a significant sense of comfort and understanding. In this surprising twist, John's music became a source of solace, not just for himself, but also for those dealing with the challenges of their own path to recovery. The joint effort between the aspiring musician and the compassionate physician brought a renewed sense of purpose, turning a fading artistic flame into a symbol of hope for both John and those touched by his heartfelt melodies. John's music, which was once ignored and not taken seriously, suddenly connected with people. Those who came to the clinic started staying longer after their appointments, fascinated by the deep emotion in John's performances. The encouraging feedback and compliments from these listeners became a strong force, reigniting John's love for music. The artistic fire that had faded away before now was brought back to life, burning even more brightly than it did initially. At the same time, a scientist named Dr. Alison Taylor, fascinated by the positive effects John's music appeared to have on patients, approached him with an unusual request. Dr. Taylor expressed interest in studying how music influences the human brain and its potential to contribute to healing and overall well-being. John agreed to participate and joined forces with Dr. Taylor to undertake a research project. Together, they delved into the exploration of music's ability to stimulate the senses, regulate emotions, and enhance mental and emotional well-being. Their discoveries proved to be groundbreaking, showcasing the effectiveness of music as a therapeutic tool. Their research demonstrated its capacity to alleviate stress, reduce anxiety and pain, and instill a sense of calm and relaxation. This collaboration not only shed light on the profound impact of music on human health, but also opened new avenues for incorporating music into therapeutic practices for enhanced well-being. As John's music gained recognition and his research findings were widely accepted, his journey took an extraordinary turn. He became a trending figure within the music community, encouraging others to pursue their passions and recognize the healing potential of creativity. The story of John, the musician who persisted despite challenges, became a symbol of hope for those encountering difficulties and setbacks. His determination, supported by Dr. Smith and Dr. Taylor, illustrated that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can conquer obstacles and realize its aspirations. John's story underscores the enduring ability of music to connect with people on a deep level, eliciting emotions and fostering healing and transformation. It serves as a reminder that each individual carries the capacity to create, inspire, and contribute positively to the world around them. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and keep growing.